Hello guys, this is Sid.
And this is me pouring coffee.
Okay.
What's goody?
You need to say your name.
And I'm Tony.
Welcome to our Sunday reset routine. Let's go ahead and get into today's video.
Alright guys, well, first things first, you feed the dogs. Very first thing in the morning, or they will be grumpy all day. Next up, I make myself a cup of coffee.
Where am I during this time?
You're probably still sleeping.
Oh, jeez.
My purified water system right there.
Did you make me any coffee?
You don't drink coffee.
Yes, I do.
You don't drink my Black Rifle coffee.
What's Black Rifle?
Black Rifle is a veteran-owned coffee company who donate to the police force and other important officials.
Guys, we made a bad decision.
And we never make bad decisions.
Never. Actually, we do this more times than we should. But Lisa Revere is going to be at church today. I need to get at church early because I'm going to help serve a little bit. So we don't have time to go to Breadco, aka Panera. But we did have time. Mickey D's.
Alright, we made it home and we are about to start our Sunday fresh.
Most YouTubers like to show you guys a relaxing Sunday. We like to show you a stressful Sunday. So
Yeah.
if you're ready to get stressed out, this is the vlog for you.
We are here to show
First,
you, oh my god.
come look at the piles. So this is out of the normal because we just came back from a trip and we did not unpack. But this is pretty normal every single week. Okay, this is the kitchen. It looks worse than what it is because this is all clean. No, clean. So when you put those away, put this away. And then everything else is easy. It's just putting things away.
Yep.
Dining table usually collects things. This is still for my birthday. Tony collects newspaper for some reason.
We have a bonfire pit and barbecue pit, and that's how you get it started.
And he
You
just
know,
puts it in the kitchen.
This isn't the kitchen.
No, but you will move it from here and put it into the kitchen.
Well, because I'm responsible for the bills, so there's a place where I need
This
to
isn't a
remember.
bill. This is
This.
newspaper.
It's a bill.
Anyways,
And
these
you
are some
left
SD cards
those on the table.
we need to use. Well, because I didn't even know I had SD cards, and then you ordered me some, so I was like, oh my god, I gotta go. Like, that's what just happened.
Oh, okay.
So there's that. Megan needs to come get your crap, Megan. Get your stuff.
You're tired of holding your stuff.
This is where we hang out with the dog. This is a terrible vlog.
Wait, show us Coco's. Guys, do not get a puppy. No matter.
Or just don't come to our house. Wait, this is terrible. This is too exposed.
This is how stressful
What if
today.
it doesn't change? Like, what if at the end of the vlog it still looks as bad?
That would be depressing. So where are we starting first? Or you can do kitchen. I start here.
This is the easiest
And
room.
dining room. Yeah. You ain't picking up no poop.
God.
You guys just have the life.
I know,
My goodness.
He's a weasel.
Man, just
Oh.
got water at your beck and call and
Personalized names.
my gosh.
Pays no bills at all.
Must be nice.
Makes Rex poops on the ground.
Alright, let's get to cleaning, I guess.
Wait, hi, buddy. Oh my God, it's so warm. So cute. Put you down gently. Okay, guys. Hi. I don't think we even told you what we need to do today. But now, wait, did we? I don't think we did. So we already got Coco's food. We need to go get dog food. We need to do all this cleaning in the house that we just showed you guys. We need to put in a grocery order for like meat and stuff. And then we need to go to the farmer's market, which you guys are gonna come with us to get all of our produce because it's just so much better.
We're gonna get some firewood.
Firewood. We're gonna end the night with a bonfire, just us two and like chilling, stuff like that. Is that all we're doing?
Yep, I
So,
think
yeah,
so.
that's what we're doing if you just don't know what's going on.
Alright, so we're leaving the house. This is what it looks like. Kind of straightened up.
That should look better.
It looks better, but we're leaving her out for the first, well, probably our second time while we run up to the street.
The farmer's market is only 8 minutes away. We'll probably only be there for like 10 minutes, and then it's like an 8-minute drive back.
Yeah.
So what's the most harm she can
What's
do?
the worst that can happen? So this is what it looks like before. We'll see what happens.
The kitchen's pretty clean too.
let's take a look at the kitchen.
Well, there's bags right here because Tony needs to make chili.
Yeah, I'm making
But
chili,
this
so.
is clean and desanitized. Why is this? I straightened this out. I don't know why it goes. Clean, sanitized. Clean, sanitized.
Beautiful. Very nice. All right, let's go. Bye, pups. Behave. Our actual vlogging camera's charging, so I have to use this one, and it doesn't have a flip out screen. So just went farmer's market, but we bought like the meat and stuff through our delivery app, and it's not gonna be here till 8, and we're starving. So we're probably gonna start prepping the veggies and the fruit and everything for the week, and probably DoorDash something just to get us food. And then when the meat comes, we will cook. We will cook the meat, and yeah, it is Sunday, and we told ourselves we were gonna start. We're gonna start, you know, seriously this week, and so that's the excuse of every American. We'll start tomorrow, but we will start tomorrow.
There's this restaurant that's by our house. It sounds so good right now.
Sounds fire, but
Called Jilly's
they don't
Pizza.
DoorDash, so that kind of sucks.
Yeah, but one of us just will pick it up.
One of us.
Yeah, that means you would start prepping the food.
Veggies all washed. Fruit is being chopped.
Just taking off
The
the
dog
bruising.
is begging. The other dog is finishing up every speck on that thing. And I am about to pick up some food.
Oh yeah.
So I'm leaving, and I'll be back.
Okie dokie.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Got some chopping going, and then over here we have the sweet potatoes ready to get put in. And I'm about to heat up some squash. All right, she got the chicken spadini with some broccoli and mashed potatoes, and then I got the
Real healthy around
Italian
here.
sausage penne pasta, only because, you know, we start tomorrow. So
We value health.
yes. Let's ciao,
Ciao, ciao,
manja. What a nice night for a bonfire. How you doing over there, Littles?
Fire was attacking me.
Fire was attacking her, and if you're wondering why we're sitting so far apart, she's pregnant, and I have a cigar, so I don't want her to be by the smoke. If it'll focus, probably not. But the dogs were like literally playing tag around the yard, which was pretty funny because they've never done that before. There they go again. Hi, buddy. Is that a good, cute boy? That's the goodest boy. We took care of the clothes.
Barely.
She vacuumed. It looks great. So everything looks great besides my nightstand. But
Your nightstand's always bad.
But honestly, the fact that we even got that done is impressive because we didn't want to do anything.
Finish my part. I got too tired.
Yeah,
I
but
didn't want to do it.
we'll finish it tomorrow. We got a big day tomorrow. Got a lot of work to do this week. But we're glad we had a nice Sunday reset. What the? I think I left the sweet potatoes on the oven.
Now I packaged them up.
Oh,
And I cleaned
you.
the pan.
thank you. Nice, Littles. Why are you sleeping in an egg?
I got an egg in me.
Whoa.
Yeah. People do it.
Do they? So. Yes. What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Culture loser.
What the? Strange. Don't let her talk to you like that. Don't hide.
Dangerous.
What? You guys, she's trying to make fun of my strength. And she's just jealous that I'm armed and dangerous.
Loser. It's not even showing it.
It's is checking out this cool snake. So this snake, we always have an issue with this snake. It keeps wanting to fight its own shadow, and it doesn't realize that it's not another snake, and it just won't listen to us.
What? Tony. Tony.
What's wrong with you?
Not hear my heartbeat.
Yeah, that thing sucks.
Tony.
That thing sucks.
Help. I don't hear anything.
Here, get a video of me real quick. Hey man, I was gonna go grab Coco. Babe! Babe! Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why do I still laugh at that after this many years?
I don't know what y'all seeing right now, but we gonna go bed. Coco's ready for bed.
Don't worry, the dogs don't sleep with us.
No. But seriously, we're gonna go to bed now, and we did a reset Sunday. We are ready for Monday. It's gonna be a good week. What you say about that?
We find out our baby's gender tomorrow.
Yeah, we get
Well,
that.
we don't really.
Yeah, we don't really find out, but we will give it to our friend who will find out for us.
Oh, you didn't even get him when he did his big leap.
Say night, Coco.